So this Bird rebuilds the new guy in town right here.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Alright, welcome back. It's been a very long time. Several things happened. Weather was one of them. Weather was a big thing. Then I went on vacation. And I also tore, I don't even know what it's called. It's wherever my hip connects to my pelvis muscle, I just ripped that. So I've been laid up for quite a while, limping around mostly, but I feel okay today. I still will be moving slow, and I can't like bend over, so everything I have to do, I have to sit on the ground. I can sit on the ground just fine, because I can sit in the chair just fine without anything hurting. So I'm going to try to replace the struts, the back ones. The back ones are really easier than the front. Remember, with the orange element here, I already had replaced the front strut on the driver's side right here. We replaced that one already. And so what I want to do today, I want to replace the rears. And if I have time before the sunset, because the sun sets in a couple hours, if I get around to the front, I want to replace that one along with the axle as well. Now I do have brand new OEM Honda sway bar bushings for the back. I'm going to put those on there as well. And then I want to check the ball joints, because it does sound like a school bus when you're driving down the road, so I want to fix that as well. Other than that, that's pretty much it on the element today on this one. Also, I can't find a back bumper for this. All the ones I found is either destroyed or a different color. So what I might end up doing, I might be taking a back bumper from another one I have here, and I'm totally probably redo something with this one, because I do want to change it and put a steel bumper in the back with a wheel. I want a wheel in the back like a Jeep. Just a little bit, not much, but I probably end up pulling that one off and putting it on here, because this one is basically sold. I have someone that wants it. My uncle wants it. He said give it to him, so he can have it. So that's what's on the agenda today. Let's get started. Alright, so it looks like in further investigations, yeah, this strut is blown. It's you see it's leaking there. This hub, this rear hub on here, it looks brand new. It looks very new. Everything looks really nice right here. Plenty of brake juice. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Bushing so far, everything looks good, even a sway bar, but I gotta try to figure out if there's anything on here that needs to be taken care of. So let's get this strut out. as fast as I'm moving, I probably may get one strut done today. It's killing me. I'm gonna try to get this one, at least this one done. I think I can bear through the pain, but yeah, it's gonna be hard for tonight. But I want to show you guys real quick if you want to replace these. So on here, it's one bolt that goes all the way through down at the bottom. I believe it's a 17. Don't quote me on that because I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember. And as in for the inside, there is 2 14s. Let me see if I get you down there. You just pop the cap off, this cap right here, which is also on the other side right there. You just pop it off, and that's how you get to the rear struts, which is very, very easy. I had just climbed in there and set to take that off, and then I just sat there for a while. I'm sorry guys, but we get this one done. And I definitely want to check and make sure that all the bushings are okay. I definitely want to check that. So let's get the top screws out first. Yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah, I remember I had to take this charcoal box out. It was just 2 10s and it'll swing out the way. Yeah, just like that. It's ready to come out. All right. So matched them up. Absolute perfect. Not perfect, but it'll do the job. Let's put this that out the way.
so I want to show you guys how bad this strut is right here. So I can pull it out, nothing, push it in, nothing. So yeah, it's definitely blown. Yeah, good thing I'm changing it.
Alright, so that is it on the Element. Gotten that one strut done. That's it for me. I can't do any more. I will, post more videos about this because it's about to be done. Sorry, I am exhausted. Smart car. It's got another water pump leak. We think it may be the head gasket again. It's pushing through and going out the weep hole. Some of the things I read, it stated it was about the head gasket. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for staying with me. Like I said, I will post more videos, and I have some new stuff coming soon, very, very soon. And it's going to be a ton of cars. So I will keep you guys posted on that. Until then, I will see you guys later.
Don't be scared.